Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech channel. So friends, today I will talk about KOORUI new multi-level monitor lineup including total 5 monitors G2741L, G2411P, 34E6UC, 27E6CA and E2412F in the launch span a wide range of use cases from high refresh rate gaming to impressive work display and affordable everyday option, demonstrating KOORUI's ongoing effort to serve the evolving needs for users around the world. So friends, the new lineup reflects throughout approach the product design. The 2411P catered to gamers with smooth 200 Hz refresh rate, right, and vibrant visual, and the 34E6 UC and 27E6CA feature curved display and wide format for enhanced productivity, and while the slim and the practical E2412F offer a reliable solution for efficient office work. So friend, the brand offering multiple models in one coordinated release, and KOORUI aims to simplify choice while giving users across different religions access to well-balanced and purpose-driven product. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.